When Flow invented abrasive water jet machining, for the first time, water jets were able to cut hard materials, such as metals and stone, to precise tolerances. For more than 20 years, water jets have proven their wide-ranging capabilities. However, until now, there has been one hurdle water jets could not overcome. The faster the cut speed, the more the water jet stream lags, and the more surface defects in the material being cut become apparent. As it travels from top to bottom, the jet streams in a conical or V shape. In corners of parts, stream lag can cause significant damage to part geometry. Flow's dynamic water jet cutting technology has solved these taper and tolerance challenges. Now parts are cut with better quality and they are cut faster. At the heart of the dynamic water jet process are complex mathematical models. Variables such as the deflection of the jet and the relationship between the water jet stream entry and exit points are accounted for as the dynamic water jet cuts through a part. The easy-to-use computer software FlowMaster requires only that the material type and thickness be entered with a few mouse clicks. An advanced motion system with complex kinematics generates the optimal cut path calculated by the powerful mathematical models. Taper is virtually eliminated. Even at high speeds, it's possible to create perfect corners and arcs. Real live cutting of identical parts shows that when dynamic water jet is compared to traditional water jet technology, part tolerances and taper are vastly improved when cycle times are held equal. When equivalent part tolerances are required, dynamic water jet dramatically reduces cycle time. Speed and precision together. Now it's possible to have both for any material in any imaginable thickness or shape. Compare and find out for yourself. Dynamic water jet. Another step into the future with Flow.